Welcome back to this clown's garage. In this video I will show you how to switch out your pinion yoke in the back of your rear end. And this is what we're putting in. And we're also changing the nut and we're changing the seal in the back. This is a 9-inch from Currie. Alright, now all Currie 9-inch rear ends have solid spacers in the back. Other rear ends might have crush collars. So if you have a crush collar, you have to figure out what you have in the rear end. If you have a crush collar, I would recommend marking the nut in relation to this shaft over here from the pinion. And when you take this off and you put the new yoke on, line up the marks again when you put the nut back on. Now, since this is a solid spacer, we're not concerned with putting the nut exactly where it was and getting the torque right. We're more concerned with just torquing it down to spec, which in this one, I think since this is a 28 spline, I think it's 200 foot-pounds. So I'm just going to go ahead and take this off now, this nut, pinion nut. Now let's pop her off. You lose some fluid while you're doing it. Now let's pop the seal out. I'm going to change the seal while we're at it. There you go. Yeah, baby. She's out. Woo! Yeah! This new seal. Put a little bit of gear oil on here because I don't want to run this dry on there. Now I'm going to put some Permatex Ultra Gray on the outside of this. I also put brake parts cleaner. I sprayed a little bit over here and cleaned the rim over here where the seal's gonna land. I'm also draining the fluid. It's a good opportunity now to change the fluid while I'm doing this. And now I'm going to go ahead and hammer that in. Alright, so I'm gonna get this started by using this ring here. We're good. Now for the pinion yoke, I'll put a drop of gear oil on here and lube the shaft before you insert it. Now, go in here. That's it. Put that on. Now 200 foot-pounds, I got somebody inside the car with their foot on the brake. This is actually working, but to get to 200 foot-pounds, we put a big pipe on this thing. Let me get one more on this. Yeah, baby, we're good. And that's how you replace a seal and a pinion yoke on a Ford 9-inch. Thanks for watching. Subscribe to my channel, like me, and share me. See ya!